In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of the UI kit in Adobe XD. This process will help you streamline your design workflow and maintain consistency across your projects. If you're new to using UI kits or looking to sharpen your skills, stick around as we dive into the details. We start by exploring the kit's artboards and components. This foundational step is about familiarizing yourself with all the elements available at your disposal. You'll want to take a close look at the various screens, buttons, icons, and layouts provided in the kit. As you do this, keep in mind your project needs and objectives. Identify the components you could potentially reuse, such as navigation bars or card components. Recognizing these reusable elements early can save you a lot of time and help build a cohesive design. Once you've identified the components you need, the next step is to integrate them into your design. For this, open your project file in Adobe XD. From the UI kit file, select the elements you want and then simply copy and paste them into your artboard. If you're working with multiple artboards or components, you can also drag them directly between files. This seamless integration allows you to easily include all the necessary components into your own design space. Customization is key to making the design uniquely yours. Begin by adapting the elements to align with your brand. Change the colors, adjust the text, and swap out any icons to reflect your brand's identity. Don't hesitate to modify the layout if it doesn't quite fit your vision. Remember, the kit offers a strong foundation, but it's up to you to tailor it to your specific needs. This customization helps ensure that your design not only looks professional, but also communicates your brand effectively. As you work through your design, aim to use components and assets efficiently. In Adobe XD, you can convert elements that you'll use frequently into components. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to maintain and update your design. Additionally, for elements that repeat, like cards or lists, utilize the Repeat Grid function. This tool is a game changer for quickly replicating items while maintaining alignment and spacing. Also, leverage the UI kit's built-in styles, such as colors and character styles, to ensure consistency across your project. Finally, prototype and share your design. Switch to XD's prototype mode to add interactions, creating an interactive experience that can be invaluable for demonstrations. Once your prototype is ready, share it to gather feedback or prepare for developer handoff. A key benefit of using a UI kit is that it provides developers with a clear view of consistent components and expected behavior, helping to streamline the development process. By the end of these steps, you'll have effectively utilized a UI kit to enhance your design workflow in Adobe XD. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and experimenting with these powerful tools to refine your skills.